Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are going to be doing a pop of color on the face. So if you're interested to see what that really entails, stay tuned, grab a drink, grab some makeup, and let's play. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and also click the bell so you're notified when I post a new video to my channel. And I'm also really active on my Twitter and Instagram, so I'll leave all that social media platform goodness down in the description box. So let's dive in. So this video is a collaboration video. So I am working with my dear group called the Makeup Mafia, and we decided to do not like so much a full face, but a pop of color. And we could kind of take that in any way we thought, or any kind of like our own inspiration, you know what I'm saying? So in this group we have Sherri from Sherri Ward, we have Jamie from Confessions of a Makeup Addict, we have Kimberley Elle and Nona from My So-Called Life 1977. I've already done my base makeup, so foundation, concealer, setting powder, did my brows. The only thing I don't have is like my blush and my highlighter, but I grabbed some indie products for that, so we will get to that as well. Okay, so my pop of color on my eyes is gonna come from these two liners. Now this is from Fantasy Cosmetics, and I will link everything I'm using down below if you're interested. I do have a code for them if you're also interested to purchase these, but these are interesting because they are water activated liners. So they look dry right now, but once you put water on them, they turn into like a, not so much gel, but like a very easy usable water-based liner that dries down matte. So fun to use, and the colors in her line are just so cool. So I have my water, I have my liner, and I like to use these with a paintbrush. If you have like a liner brush, that will also work, but I prefer paintbrushes because they're just a little bit more sturdy, a little bit more firmer than like a typical makeup brush. So let's dive in. And these liners dry down really fast, but these colors are so fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and we'll be right back to add another color. Okay, so I've gone ahead and added the other side of the green, and it looks really pretty. So next we're gonna go ahead and add our black liner, and this is from the crayon case, and it's called the Sharp Me Fine Point Tip liner. This is just a felt tip Sharpie eyeliner, and we're going to do a little bit of a design. Well, not that big of a design. Okay, I like it. Okay, let me go ahead and add the other liner to the other eye. Okay, and just to add like another little pop of color, I went ahead and added the blue from Fantasy Cosmetics, which is called Yamoja, and I added that just like on top of the black. But same kind of deal, you just add water and it's activated, and it dries down really quick. Alright, so really the eyes, as far as the pop of color, are done. So I'm going to go ahead and add some blush to my face, and I'll be using the Queen Bee Cosmetics blush palette. This is called You Make Me Blush, super cute, and I'm going to dive into more of like the berry tone here and apply that to my cheeks. And for lashes, I'll be using the Queen Bee Cosmetic lashes, and these are in the style Cash Me Out. super big and pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these off camera. And for lips, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in Doo-Doo, D-U-D-U, such an odd name for a lipstick, but it is a black, and I thought just black would bring attention to the lips, but also kind of accent the eye color just a tad. Alright, so that completes this look. I love it because it was kind of quick for me. Really the only time consuming thing was putting on the liner because it's water activated, but it was really quick to apply. Again, it dries really fast. Pop on some lashes. I did a black lip and I'm good to go. This is something fun, something different, something funky. So please don't forget to go check out everyone else's video that I've linked down below. And again, this is the Pop of Color collaboration with our Makeup Mafia group. I love them so, so much. And I love just having like a fun moment with makeup that doesn't really need like eyeshadow, you know, like you can just grab liner and still have fun. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you are notified when I post a video. And that's all I have for you guys, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.